This is the T9 input introduction. Press menu, manager verify. Suppose here when we are entering the user name, so we will use the T9 input. Suppose the name is Mike. Okay, press M, then press OK. And you will see the numbers is matching each character. So press 1, match M here. I, press OK. These numbers matching. 6, K, 3 is matching here. E, number 4 is matching. Press OK, Mike here. And if we want to add for the numbers, so we can press the menu to switch the input mode to number input. So we say 1, 2. Okay, this is the 1 more 3. So we can switch back to the correct input and press 0 to delete the additional 3. Okay, here you can see deleted. And if we want to input some symbol here, so press 1. There's some symbol available, and press OK. If you choose 6, add is the name. Okay, now we press OK. Press exit, and you will see here it's the name, and press exit to save it. Okay, that's the introduction.